Docker and Kubernetes comments, and thank you notes. In this lecture, you will learn some Docker and Kubectl basic commands. The Docker commands, basic commands, how to start the Docker, check the status of Docker, are two important commands. Then building image, display the image ID, how to run the container. These three coming from the image and the runtime perspective. You can check the container status by using Docker PS. If you want to log on to the container, you can use the command docker exec -it container ID bash. Docker containers are sharing the operating system authentication. So simply executing this command is enough to take you into the Docker VM. Stop the container using docker stop and container D. These are the very basic important Docker commands to work in container in your day-to-day operations. Basic Kubectl commands. Kubectl apply with the YAML file. You can create an object. Delete object. You can use Kubectl delete the object name. Listing pods and nodes. You can use a list pod, Kubectl get pods and Kubectl get nodes. Detail information, you can say Kubectl describe pods, mark node as unschedulable, Kubectl calldown and write the node name. If you want to do some maintenance, you can use this command on the node. Thank you for participating and best of luck for your container journey. Thanks to my wife Angelina, children Shamir and Shalini, friends who helps me with reviews and a lot of motivation, Charu Singhal, Manoj Joseph Joe, Akhil Mohana Kumar, Ravi Kumar Ramasamy, Akash Gupta, Gaurav Sadhwani, and Prabhraj Gaud. All these people help me a lot to make the type of courses. Good luck.